Stop guessing your sales page headline and use these type that already works in successful sales and landing pages. Even expert copywriters don't invent; they use what already works. And these 5 headline types use in high converting sales page again and again, but nobody tells you because they charge dollars for it. And even a one good headline alone can increase conversion by 10 to 30%. So as a beginner, don't waste your time. Try to be creative. Hey guys, it's Hifsa and welcome to Copywriting with Hifsa. The headline capture user attention and separate you from everyone else. But I know as a beginner it's very difficult to create a high converting sales page headline from scratch. So that's why in this video I'm going to share after watching tons of video and doing many courses 5 headline types that expert copywriters use again and again. These are proven high converting headlines. So without any delay, let's start. Number 1, testimonial headline. A testimonial headline use real result or experience to build instant trust. So instead of you claiming something, someone else proves it. For example, I got my first client in 7 days using this course, and I lost 5 kgs by using without giving up on my favorite food. And this planner fix my time and problem. And as a beginner, if you don't have experience a result as if now, so you can use example or any case study. Number 2, curiosity headline. A curious headline make reader mind to click because they want to know the answer, and it create curiosity in their mind what happened next. This kind of headline works because human brain don't like incomplete information. For example, what happened when I stopped Instagram for 30 days? This small habit changed my income forever, and nobody tells me about this online selling. You as a beginner, you don't need to explain everything on your headline. Your job is there to make your reader curious enough to read your whole sales page. Number 3, listicle headline. Listicle headline use number to promise structure and clarity. It tells reader that it is easy and simple to follow. People loves numbers, especially odd numbers like 5, 7, 9, and odd number convert 20% better, and colon also increase your conversion 9% more. For example, 3 abs save your 2 hours every day. 7 mistake killing your sales page conversions. Number 4, value proposition headlines. This headline clearly tells the reader what they will get and why it's important and better for them. For example, build your website in 10 minutes, no coding, and get your SEO report in 60 seconds free, and English fluency in 3 months, pay if you see results. And beginner tips focus on benefit, not features. Number 5, last how to headline. These headline promise clear path, problem to solution. It's safe and beginner friendly. For example, how to start freelancing without experience, and how to write a headline that make people stop scrolling, and how to email that get replies. That's it for today's video. Now pause this video and practice, and take the each headline type that I shared today and try to write 5 to 10 headline of each formula. And don't worry if that they are not perfect, because copywriting is learned by writing, not just watching. And in the next video I will share how to write sub headline for sales pages. And if you don't want to miss that, kindly subscribe and turn on the notification. And if this video helped you, like and share with another beginner. See you in the next one.